What? Okay, literally, I just filmed the intro for this thing and it wasn't even filming. Really? Let's rewind. If you want to make some soap and lotion dispensers, Farmhouse styled, keep on watching. Co-host with me. Her name is Miss Riley. If you guys don't know already, she's not taking a nap, so she's gonna be in this video right now with me. Don't be distracted by her cuteness because it's all about me. No, seriously, it's all about me. Only in this video though, guys. I love her. Hey. We are going to be doing wait a minute. First of all, it's Try It Out Tuesday. So we're going to be trying out a craft. Of course, that craft is going to come from where? If you said Pinterest, you are correct. If you thought Pinterest, you are correct, because that's where it's coming from. So I'm gonna have that link down below. We are gonna be making farmhouse styled soap and lotion dispensers. I'm putting mine in my kitchen, but you can totally put this in your guest bathroom, your bathroom, wherever you wanna put it, you can put it. They're so amazingly cute, so super affordable. You can buy these off Etsy. Yeah. You can buy them off Etsy, but it's cheaper if you do it yourself. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. Let's get started, guys. So our main materials that you're gonna need are 2 ball mason jars, 2 soap dispensers, and a box cutter. To start this craft, you're gonna need a jar. Now I got this one from the Dollar Tree. They also have blue, red, and green ones with handles that you can also use for this craft. But I'm going to be using the ball mason jar that I got from Wally World, aka Walmart, and it was only $1.47. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your blade and you're going to cut a hole into the top, which I've already kind of started there. Now with these, they already have like a circle imprint at the top that you can use to help guide you in cutting your circle. After you've made your circle, you're just going to take your soap pump and you are going to place it inside of the circle that you created. Now, I just so happened to make a nice tight circle to where I didn't have to glue this, but if you don't, you can definitely use E6000 to glue it to the top of the lid. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take sandpaper and kind of sand over my glass. Now, I really don't have to do this because I'm using chalk paint, but if you're using any other type of paint, like acrylic or something like that, I would definitely recommend to do this. Now, I'm going to take the easy route here, and I'm going to be using my spray gun to spray my chalk paint on, but you can totally paint this onto your jars. So these are how the mason jars look after they've dried. Now, really quick before we start to distress these, which I've already started there, you can change the lid tops to any color you want using any spray paint. I'm just going to keep it this stainless steel looking color because the appliances in my kitchen are stainless steel and this will match perfectly. Now we're just going to take our sanding paper and start distressing. Okay, so in the beginning of the video, I said that I was going to use one of these for soap and one for lotion, but I changed my mind since it's going to be in my kitchen, and I'm not going to do that. I'm going to actually be using one for soap and one to put my scrub brushes in. Now, what I'm going to do is just take one apart, and then I'm going to have an opening after I take it apart to where I can just put all of like my scrub brushes and stuff like that that I use to clean my dishes with in the inside, so I don't have to have them laying either in my sink or on the side of my sink. I'll have a nice little area where I can put them. And now I'm just going to spruce these up just a little bit more. tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.